how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can trade stickers in Monopoly Go. Before I go on, I must inform you that to trade stickers on Monopoly Go is possible only with your friends. So once that is established, let's go straight into the tutorial. The first step is to open up the Monopoly Go app, just like I've done here. And then by the lower right corner of the screen, you will see the album icon. Just click on it. Now, for me, I cannot go further from here because I have not met the requirement. As you can see, I have to reach a certain number of gems before I can unlock the album option. But for you, once you've gotten that number, you've gotten or you've met that qualifications, just go ahead, open the album app. Once you open it up, you'll see a list of stickers. So it's a list of pictures of your friends. Just select one, and once you selected it, you'll be directed to the stickers page. Now on this stickers page, select the sticker that you want to trade. Once you've selected it, you'll be asked to select a friend you want to send the sticker to. Select the friend and send the sticker to the person. Then once the friend comes on board, the friend will be notified of the sticker, and he or she would accept it, and also can also send a sticker as a response to the sticker you sent. So this is basically how you can trade stickers on monopolygo.com. So go ahead and trade those stickers today. Thanks for watching.